Hey guys, welcome back. Today will be rather short and sweet. However, I just wanted to point out that BITW that I made a video on over the weekend is now up about 300% since I talked about it. If you haven't learned about BITW, please feel free to take a look at that video and think about it as a potential addition to your portfolio, although it's gotten quite expensive now. Today we're going to talk about Aytu Bioscience. AYTU is the ticker symbol. No, it's not a SPAC or an IPO. I know those are the real hot things right now, but it gets a little tiresome talking about those. Now, AYTU is not the traditional research-based biopharmaceutical company. Instead, what they do is they take products that are ready for commercialization and bring those to market. Here's just a quick look at the products that they offer. Acipex is a granule formulation that can be sprinkled over food for pediatric patients who have gastroesophageal reflux. Cefaclor is a widely used antibiotic. The Flexi chamber is a collapsible holding chamber that can be used for aerosolized medicines to deliver the medicine. Extended release carbinol is an antihistamine. Natesto is the first and only FDA-approved intranasal testosterone replacement therapy. They have two versions of a fluoride-based prescription product for infants and children to prevent fluoride deficiency. They have Tuzistra, which is a codeine-based 12-hour anti-cough/antitussive medication. Zolpamist is an oral spray that can be used for insomnia. And they also have the Myoxis, which is used in the diagnosis of male infertility. Another big place where they are making money is a COVID-19 antibody rapid test. This is one of 11 tests that were approved by the FDA for emergency use. They're also looking to bring something to light called the Heal Light platform, which is an ultraviolet light-based therapy to kill viruses and bacteria. Here's a quick look at how their business is doing. This compares September 2019 to the 3 months ended September 2020. You can see that in 2019, their revenue was just about $1.5 million. That jumped to $13.5 million. You can also see that if you look at the net loss, this company is still losing money. They lost around $4 million, which is slightly less than what they lost in 2019. Let's take a quick look at what the stock forecasts are for Aytu. You can see currently it's trading at around $6.63 a share. The high for the next 12 months is projected at $30 a share, and the low is projected at $17.20 a share. Keep in mind that there are only 2 analysts offering this prediction. This is not a large company, and so it doesn't have a lot of analysts following it. The 2 stock analysts have had this listed as a buy or strong buy in the recent past. Here we show how the stock price has been doing over the last 12 months. You can see that nice rapid upstroke in the stock price in around March of 2020, roughly when the COVID pandemic was getting full-blown. I suspect that had much to do with the COVID-19 test that they have. And then slowly the price has come down to $6.62, which, by the way, is up approximately 60 cents today. So if you choose to buy into this, it will definitely not be at its 52-week high. This is a growing company. On December 10th, Aytu Bioscience and Neos Therapeutics announced a merger, which will create a company with a combined $100 million of revenue. Neos Therapeutics has 2 ADHD medications, which are growing significantly, one at approximately 9% and the other at approximately 6%. In 2019, Cerecor announced that it would be selling its pediatric portfolio to Aytu Bioscience. That included the Sprinkle Acipex, as well as the Cefaclor, the Carbinol, and the fluoride medications that we discussed. Earlier this year, Aytu completed an acquisition of Innovis Pharmaceuticals as well. Innovis concentrates on over-the-counter products. I would not be surprised to see additional mergers or acquisitions from Aytu. The company was founded by 2 brothers, Josh and Jarrett Disbrow. They previously had experience with Arbor Pharmaceuticals, which the brothers grew to $127 million valuation in a little less than 5 years. Well, that's it for today and Aytu Bioscience. We covered what they do, that they are not a research and development company, but that they commercialize market-ready products. I showed you a list of some of those products. We talked about how they're growing with recent mergers and acquisitions, as well as purchasing products from other companies. We talked about their leadership team and their history of growing pharmaceutical companies rapidly. And we talked about the current share price and what the projected share prices are over the next 12 months. If you enjoyed this, please give us a thumbs up, and we'd love to have you as a subscriber. Until next time, enjoy your investing.